Hey, hello guys, welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Machinery channel. My name is Richard. So today I'm going to introduce about this part. So this is called vertical roller mill grinding roller wheel hub, and it's part of the grinding roller. So as for the structure, you can see in the middle is where you install the shaft of the grinding roller, and then on the outside we have a bearings here, and then on the outside we have the grinding roller tire, or you call it grinding roller liner on the outside. So the function is this thing is mounted on the roller shaft. So the roller shaft will be installed here, and the other side of the roller shaft will connect to the rocker arm. And then on the outside, this is the place where you put the bearings to allow the grinding rollers to rotate. And then on the outside, we'll have the tire. So you can see this one is cast in our metal casting workshop, and then it is machined on the vertical lathe, and then also the holes are drilled by the drilling machine. So in our next video, I will introduce about the grinding roller tire.